What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm outside the headquarters. Want to give you an update and show you the staircase for the Hog On Cafe. So I still have to drill my planks down. I actually got the holes in there. I just got to drill the holes in the wood. I got the wood set. So now I'm just gonna come under, drill the holes in the wood, and put the hardware in, and it'll be complete. So I wanted to give you an update on what it looked like. Like I say, I feel pretty proud about it, man. It's handmade. Once I get a shop and I get a location where I can start assembling them, they'll be so much better. But as you see, I built this in my garage because I had to get started. And when you get started on building your independence, you have to use what you got and you have to do it yourself. So don't get discouraged on doing things yourself and actually getting your hands dirty and making things happen, because in this life, that's the only way you're going to actually get ahead, if you do it yourself. Hold on.